Akmakina, a turning point in Turkey's industrial scene, has been shaping the manufacturing world since 1981. Pioneering a journey woven with technology and excellence, we collaborate with world-renowned brands in the CNC machine tools sector, bringing innovation to every corner of our country. From Istanbul to Izmir to Bursa, Ankara to Konya, we provide engineering solutions, sales and after-sales services to various sectors, from defense to aviation, medical to automotive, across Turkey. Join us to access CNC turning centers, CNC double-column machining centers, vertical, horizontal, and 5-axis machining centers, CNC Swiss-type lathes, grinding machines, and much more. Each product is designed to meet industry needs and optimize your production processes. And in this path, taking a pioneering step in the industry, we established first customer satisfaction department in Turkey in our sector. This department resides at the heart of Akmakina, working tirelessly to enhance every customer experience. We are here to provide instant answers to your inquiries, offer solutions, and stand by you for every need. Akmakina's innovative spirit extends beyond our products. With our vision to lead in every aspect of technology, we have pioneered yet another first in the industry, the Akmakina mobile application. With this revolutionary application, you can instantly access everything your machine needs. Service requests, spare part orders, and technical support are now at your fingertips. Designed to respond to your needs quickly, easily, and effectively, the Akmakina mobile application is wherever you are. Akmakina is not just a company, also a strong and innovative partner. With our deep knowledge and experience in technology and engineering, we ensure you and your industry are always one step ahead. Let's step into a new era of production with Akmakina. Contact us, let's push the boundaries of excellence together.